Michael Faraday, September 22nd, 1791 to August 25th, 1867. Michael Faraday was a British physicist and chemist whose pioneering work in electromagnetism and electrochemistry laid the foundation for much of modern science. Born into a poor family, he had minimal formal education and rose to prominence entirely through self-education and relentless curiosity. Faraday's life is often celebrated as a quintessential rags-to-riches success story in the history of science. Yet, behind his fame lie some lesser-known and surprising aspects. 3 surprising facts. Surprising fact number 1. He started as a bookbinder's apprentice. Faraday's scientific journey began not in a laboratory, but in a bookbinding shop. At the age of 14, he worked as an apprentice bookbinder, where he developed a habit of reading the scientific books he bound. This humble job became his gateway to science, turning a laborer into a lifelong learner and, eventually, a groundbreaking scientist. Surprising fact number 2. He defied Newtonian orthodoxy with a field-centric view of physics in an era dominated by Newtonian particle-based physics. Faraday introduced a radical idea that force could exist in space itself. He proposed the concept of electric and magnetic fields, something invisible yet real and powerful. Though unconventional at the time, this vision would later be formalized by James Clerk Maxwell and become central to modern physics. Surprising fact number 3. He repeatedly declined the presidency of the Royal Society despite his towering reputation. Faraday humbly refused to accept the presidency of the Royal Society when offered. He valued research and teaching over honors and positions. Faraday saw himself not as a man of power, but as a servant of truth and a humble interpreter of nature. Conclusion. Michael Faraday was far more than a brilliant scientist. He was a symbol of perseverance, originality, and humility. Rising from a working-class background, challenging scientific norms, and rejecting prestigious titles, Faraday's life reminds us that true greatness lies not only in discovery, but also in character.